Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Welcome back to another video. This week right here is going to be really telling. As Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is going to give their statement of how many basis points they're going to raise, to try to get inflation down this week. Now, the reason why it's going to be telling is because whatever they say, whether it's 50 points, 75, I've heard even up to 120 points, they're going to be raising this thing. Interest rate, to try to get the interest rates up. I don't know what's going to happen, but I know whatever they say, the market is watching. If you watch the market today, the market went up earlier, then it went back down, and then it went up at the end of the market closing. At last time I checked it at 2:30. So it's a lot of confusion out there. And, it involves us as investors. So like the best practical way to deal with this right now, is one of three things. You can get scared, sell off all your stocks, say, hey, I'm gonna hold my money because the price of bread is high and something like that. You could say two, hey, I'm gonna stand pat. I'm gonna just sit in, ride out the storm and see where this thing goes, keep dollar cost averaging and the like. Or three, you might even say, hey, well, I'll sell off some of the stocks that I have made money on. I'll reconsolidate them into my favorite ETF, like I'm doing. And I'll take it from there. And then as things take off with me dollar cost averaging, things to pick up, and then I can disperse and put funds where they need to, and then recalibrate my portfolio, after trying to avert some of the losses in the market at present. Regardless of how much they raise these interest rates, until the consumer spending comes down, and nothing's going to happen. But we're going to go hypothetical with this, right? Say they raise it 100 basis points, right? What I expect is the market to continue to tumble. Like this week, we have earnings, as usually we have earnings, but none of them significance. I think General Mills was one of them. So, but like no companies of real insignificance. But yeah, this week is going to be crazy. So what I'm going to be watching is come Wednesday. Well, I'll be watching the market tomorrow, which will be Tuesday. I'll be watching the market tomorrow to see what the market does. But I think it's going to start selling off quick because, you usually make these announcements early Wednesday morning. Around 1 to 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, I think I'll have some type of a semblance of what I think investors think of what Chairman Powell is going to say moving forward. Now, Wednesday comes, if they even push it, 100 basis points, you can expect the fall off. I think this right here will be the first. I mean, we've had serious blows in the market, but I think this right here will be the first serious blow where you start to see a significant downslide in the stock market. So it's just my opinion, guys, and that's what I'll be watching. But I just wanted to say a quick video, real quick, and let's talk about my what I think is going to happen come Wednesday. But I think Wednesday was said will have an impact between now and December. Now, the only thing I'm thinking that could stop the slide a little bit will be the spending during the Christmas holiday. Will it take us out of this? No, we won't. We're far from it. I think that honestly, we got until probably next spring of unpredictability in the market. And I think, honestly, if for us to see any type of dent into this recession and in this inflation, because inflation don't fix itself overnight. A lot of people are predicting this thing could go 2 to 3 years. I think we'll start seeing a hint of daylight probably around April. That's just my opinion. Which way things are going, and we'll see. I mean, they'll eventually get it down. They'll always get it down. But just right now, as the way I'm looking at it, I just think it's going to be a lot of stocks dropping, a lot of bad earnings calls, and a lot of panic. You know, like I say to you as investors, whether you're seasoned or new investors, ride it out. You know, you want to keep your money in the market because it can turn at any time. Once this thing clears itself, and you won't know because nobody can predict it. And you want to be there for those best days of trading where you get the biggest returns from holding it long term. So make sure you keep your money in the market. Be smart about it. And that's it for the video, guys. I just wanted to say a little bit about what's happening and what I think is going to go on. Just a little bit that was on my mind. But key in on what Chairman Powell says Wednesday, and try to figure out what it is. But yeah, guys, that's normal, man. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.